Hi ladies, I'm Lisa with 50 Fabulous and Frazzled, and today we are talking about organizing those closets for the spring and using a color coding system. So stay tuned. Hi ladies, thank you so much for watching my video today. We are talking about organizing our closets for the spring and also using the color coding method. So let's begin. Every season I have to go through all of my clothes and I have to alternate and switch them out. So I have my winter and fall sectioned out in my spring and summer. So right now I've got some of my fall stuff for winter, light winter stuff I'll say. I've got my spring wardrobe here, and then my summery clothes are still, I've not gotten all of those out. So let me show you how I do it. So to begin, I like to start with my blacks, which hopefully you can see it. I'll start with my tanks here, any of my black tops that are like tanks, and I go from black, from the tanks to the short sleeve to the long sleeves. Then I go to all of my printed, which are black and white, checked, anything like that. Then I go to my grays, so blacks, then grays. Same thing, start with the tanks, go to shorter sleeves, then go to the longer sleeves, more of the printed ones, and I do that for the gray. Then I hit white, so mine's black, gray, and then white. And so when I do white, I'm doing the absolutely same thing. I've got my tanks, short sleeve, long sleeve. Then I do cream and tan, then printed. I'll go through that whole section. And then I do like a burgundy color, pinks and reds, and corals. I wear a lot of those. I had no idea I wore so many. So these are here, same thing. I'm going to go through there. Orange, I've got it all. Then I go to pink, purple, green, don't have a lot of green. And then I go to my blues, and you'll see I have my blues. Now these here are tops that I wear most often. Now I do have a closet that has other tops in it, but these are like my work tops, my weekend tops, and so these are like my favorite ones. And these are the ones that I know that I will eventually get to wearing. Up here above I've got my jackets, I've got my blazers, I also have a few and another closet on this side. So this is just something I've always done. It's worked out very well. It keeps my colors coordinated. It allows me to really know what I have in my closet. A lot of times we will section our closets to where this section here, the very middle section, is our normal clothing that we like to wear. And so we always pick there. And so I have found when I color code it, it actually draws me to where I'm actually having to look at all of my shirts. But it's based on the color. It's not based on the ones that are always my go-to grab. So it makes it easier if you're wanting to coordinate it with jackets, if you want to coordinate with a cardigan. You immediately know there's that top, there's that tank. So I love this technique. I've used it for years. I even had a clothing store. We did the same technique. It worked out well, very easy to organize. So I just wanted to share that along. One other thing I wanted to share too that I learned throughout the years is all of my jeans and all my slacks I have in a separate closet that's hung up. And I use baby hangers to hang these up. Now how many times have you had a hanger, the wide hangers, and I was going to see if I had one, a wide hanger, and your jean, when you hang them up, would flop from one side of the hanger to the next. So maybe it would hang on this side. and you had the wider hanger, so it would stick up. It never would lay properly. Well, looky here. Just go buy some kid hangers, and look how nice it makes them. They lay perfectly. They stay stable. They're not going to tip this way or that way. So I also want to share that little extra tip. So thank you guys for watching my videos. Please subscribe below to my YouTube channel. I am trying to grow my YouTube channel. It helps with the video quality, plus it helps to share some of my beauty secrets. And so please share my 50 Fabulous and Frazzled Facebook page also with your friends to help grow this group. I appreciate you ladies so much, and I will see you soon. Bye.